Hi everyone. It's Wednesday morning around 8:45, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 499. And if you like the work, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do this kind of quickly today because I have an appointment that I have to get out for. But uh, as I'm sure you know, the presidency has not been decided, although it looks like it's pretty firmly Mr. Biden. But we've been fooled before. What I find interesting is the futures, which were all over the place last night, but it's not the amount that they changed so much as what the actual numbers are. The Dow is showing up only 151, whereas the Nasdaq is up 420. And in case you think it's just the Nasdaq, it's not, because the S&P is also up $60. So I don't know what's holding down the Dow, but clearly Nasdaq, mega cap, big cap, they all seem to be moving pretty well. In the election news, we had out in California a big win for Uber and Lyft. And basically, they beat on the ballot the gig versus employed label for their drivers. And Uber is trading right now. It's been as high as 41 and a half. It's trading right now at around 40 or so, which is up 12%, $4.25. Lyft is in the same boat. It got up as high as 31.15. The last is 30.17, and that's up 3.94 or 15%. There's a headline here about Comcast and Walmart going in together on a promotion for smart TVs. Florida has also approved through the vote a $15 an hour minimum wage that it will be worked up in now. The dollar is up. The Asia and Europe are mixed to slightly higher. And I want to show you a couple of charts, but this is the gold, and I'm going to change this to the intraday chart. This is yesterday back here to last night. When we got up to 1917, we were back down to 1881, back up to 1900, back down to test that low, back up to 1900, up and down, and this morning it has gone from basically pretty close to the lows here at 1886.70 to a last of, as you can see, 1908. So it's been up 25, it's been down 25, and right now it's down 1. The big one overnight was the bonds. The bonds were all over the place. They're up 212 right now, but it's also a very impressive intraday chart for the overnight. We opened down on the move to the downside. I'm just going to show you the daily on this one. We moved to the downside to an area that we pointed out should hold it here. We got down to 170.07 and then turned straight up, and we've gone from 170.70 to 174.28, which is almost 175. That puts us just below that channel that we've been working on, and this high, which is a lower high. This is the first higher high that we've had in a while. All right, everyone, have a good morning. I'll be back in a while. If there's anything else to add, I will add it. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a good morning.